Hello again, my precious. This is our new video. It is a little bit unusual because we will use nature to learn Ukrainian, and I hope you will like it. It will be short, relaxing, but it will be really useful. And as now it's autumn and we all have the autumn mood, so this video will be about autumn weather and about interesting places you can visit in autumn. Enjoy! Осень, autumn. So today we are going to listen to the text, which is about autumn. Вивчимо нові фрази. Let's learn some new phrases. Тепла погода. Warm weather. Холодна погода. Cold weather. Дощити. It rains. Блакитне небо. Blue sky. Спокійна ріка. Calm river. Збирати осіннє листя. Pick the autumn leaves. Гуляти в парку. Walk in the park. Нюхати квіти. Smell the flowers. Вуличний музикант. Street musician. Спостерігати за лебедями та качками. Watch the swans and ducks. Чистити пір'я. Clean feathers. Міст над рікою. The bridge underwater. Above the water, sorry. Autumn month, осінні місяці, вересень, жовтень, листопад. September, October, November. Прослухайте і подивіться відео і дайте відповіді на запитання. So, let's listen and watch the video, and after that, try to give the answers to these questions. Яка погода? What is the weather? Чи дощить? Is it raining? Що робить дівчина? What is the girl doing? Хто грає? Who is playing? Що роблять птахи? What are the birds doing? Ріка спокійна? Is the river calm? I'm waiting for your answers in the comments. Сьогодні тепла погода. Початок жовтня, не дощить, небо блакитне. Я гуляю в парку. Я збираю осіннє листя. Я нюхаю квіти. Грає вуличний музикант. Я спостерігаю за лебедями та качками. Вони чистять пір'я на березі. А ось і міст над рікою. Ріка спокійна. So here is the text you have heard in the video, and you can read it and check your answers and read it again and watch the video again, and I hope this short listening practice will give you some boost in your learning Ukrainian. I hope you have enjoyed the location of autumn landscapes and so on, and I hope you have liked the autumn park. And if you like such videos and such format of the video, so please write me in the comments, and I will make another one. And if you want more grammar and more lesson stuff, just write me in the comments and I will continue doing the lessons for you. So, this was the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have seen some interesting locations. I hope you have learned new words and phrases, and you have seen beautiful Ukrainian autumn. So please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will wait till next Friday. Bye bye.